to be the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. Not only for yourself, but also in order to love one another in the ways that you both deserve and desire to be loved. Not only do you accept one another for who you truly are, but you celebrate one another for who you truly are. And I would encourage you both to continue to celebrate one another as unique individuals with unique qualities and unique purposes all the days of your life, especially as a married couple. So whether you're riding a roller coaster on your first date at Six Flags, or visiting a secret hot spring at the top of a mountain in Iceland, or going on a hike together, or fighting without mercy over bed territory while you both laugh yourselves to sleep, it is very obvious that there's no one else in this entire world that either of you would rather share those special moments with or special memories with besides one another. It is for these and for many other reasons that you are both standing here today. At this time, I'd like to give Alex an opportunity to share his personal vows with Melissa.
Before I get this, just according to plan, huh? This was difficult for me to write. Not for lack of material to put to paper, but like a dog surrounded by bacon, peanut butter, and 100 of his favorite chew toys. I'm overwhelmed with how many parts of your being I love, and which are good enough to meet the moment. Truth be told, I've been married to you in my heart long before today. The way our love is not the way I thought love went, and the way that living together would be. I should knock on wood before I say this, but you and I never fight, never go to bed angry, and are almost always giggling ourselves to sleep. Despite how much you hog the bed, as was mentioned, it's the best sleeping next to you. I love jumping into bed with you every night, and to my own bewilderment, admit that I enjoy the merciless battle for mattress territory that ensues each night. Love can mean different things to different people. For me, love is embracing vulnerability. It's leaping into a spoken and unspoken bond where you voluntarily relinquish your heart, being, and happiness, and have faith they won't be hurt. I've tethered my being, my heart, and my happiness to you forever. Melissa, I'm the luckiest man. I couldn't imagine growing old with anyone other than you. So before everyone in this castle, before nature, and before God, I stand here and vow to put you first in every decision I make. I vow to protect you and our family. I vow to continue growing and being the man that you need me to be. I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow and pick you up when it's hard to see the light. And to listen to you even when we don't agree. And when we argue and you remain mad at me, I will always ask myself, what would Jack from This Is Us do? And let his infinite charm and wisdom guide my path. I vow to love you all the days of my life. You're my forever adventure partner. And when our time in this life comes to a close, you'll know where to find me, waiting for you atop our snowy mountain in Iceland, in the hot spring where we can relive the happiest night of our lives, everlasting. Movies talk about cold feet. These feet are on fire, baby.
Tough act to follow. At this time, I'd like to give Melissa an opportunity to share her personal vows with Alex.
That was very good. Okay. Here we go. Alex. We did it. We're here. The day has finally come. This is the happiest day of my life. Today is the day I get to tell you how much I love you and how much you mean to me. It's the day I get to marry my best friend, my soulmate, you. There is no one in this world who I'd rather be standing here with today. Alex, I believe our love story is truly written in the stars. We were destined to meet on the most random night at a bar in the city all those years ago. I believe in fate and destiny, but I also believe we were fated to do the things we are supposed to do anyway. God put us together at the right time and place, but we chose each other. Our paths were meant to cross that night, but we chose to hold hands and walk a new path together. Alex, I will always choose you. In 100 different lifetimes, in 100 different realities, I'll always choose you. I am so lucky to be marrying you. No one else in this world compares to you, and I'm so excited I get to call you my husband today, tomorrow, and for all the days of my life. You make me feel so loved, so happy, so at home. You make the days brighter and the world better. Alex, I promise to always put us first, and I dedicate the rest of my life to loving you the way you deserve to be loved. I promise to give you back scratches and head rubs. Maybe not every day, but it will be a good amount.
Could be a little more.
Yeah. I promise to respect you and to be faithful to you. I promise to keep being the funnier one in our relationship and making you laugh. I promise to be there to support you, to hold your hand, and embrace all the amazing, the fun, the exciting, the scary, and the sad things life will throw at us. I will be there right by your side through it all. But most of all, I promise to love you with my whole heart, forever and always.